The chorus effect is a very useful way to sort of fatten up or enliven a sound that otherwise might be a little too dry and simple. Chorus is basically just a very short time-varying delay that's added to a sound, to the original sound. It's implemented as shown in this picture. The original sound passes through, and a delayed copy of this sound with some attenuation is added to the sound, and the amount of delay varies. That's what's indicated by this diagonal arrow here. To implement this in Nyquist, or to use it in Nyquist, you load the library called time delay functions, and you call chorus like this. There are a lot of parameters. Here's a suggested setting for initial values of these parameters. Let's start at the end and work our way backwards. The saturation is the scale factor that's supplied to this delayed signal. So if you want a very small chorus effect, you might put in a tenth or a smaller number. The rate is the rate at which the delay is changed. The delay is controlled by a low-frequency sinusoidal oscillator. Rate is just the frequency of that delay change. The depth is the amount by which the delay is changed. The depth can actually be a sound, a control signal, so you can vary that over time. And to make all of this work, max depth tells you how much is going to be the maximum depth that you want. So as you can imagine, this delay line is allocated in memory, and we have to know how much delay to allow for. So max depth is sort of a declaration that, hey, you only need 50 milliseconds worth of delay or 100 milliseconds worth of delay because that's as large as it'll get. So try out chorus. Again, I would start with these parameters, see how you like it, and you can make small or large adjustments depending on where you want to go with it.